more sparks. So he says the theory is as people age up, they generally tend to lose sparks. I'm sure you have seen the movie Jab We Met. You can compare Kareena Kapoor in the first half versus her in the second half. So in the first half she was full of excitement, curiosity and fun and whatnot. I believe, मुझे ऐसा लगता है रोहन जो है, he has plenty of sparks in him and he still has, he keeps boring everyone on WhatsApp, sorry. So let's listen something from Romil. I have written a few lines for him, so I would want to read it. Romil, can you come here please? Oh, I'm so sorry, I'm so sorry. For some reason I just don't want to take that name. Sorry, I'm just joking. So Rohan, I'll just read these lines for you. Rohan cleared KVPY and round 1 of Astronomy Olympiad. So can we have a good round of applause? Not a joke to clear Olympiad, which is written by so many children in the country and so few make it. So he cleared the first round of Astronomy Olympiad. Son to engineer parents, Rohan is another student from Jalgaon who has cleared the JEE Advanced from Bakliwal tutorials. He scored 244 in JEE mains, but improved upon his performance, I would say, to get an All India rank of 983 in JEE Advanced. Let's listen something from Rohan.
Thank you, sir. Well, I was just like Mandar. Means after it was in 10th summer vacations that I came to know about IIT. What is actually IIT, and we have to give something called JEE to get into engineering. So and when my entrance test was there, it was actually random decision that I would have I want to join BT because I booked for another institution's entrance test. But when I entered BT, gave the test and had the discussion with sir, well, I said straight away no to all the other entrance tests. So that clearly tells you everything about what is in BT and what is in especially Vaibhav sir. So as all my friends have said, well, we have very amazing 2 years in BT, means very amazing staff, amazing friends like Mandar, who was my bench partner. And what to tell you, means in our classes we used to get treats from our teachers for answering a particular question or quizzes type, which actually helped me during the solving part of the questions. Means when you have to approach to a particular question in various different ways so that you opt for a better one. So I think logical questions by Vaibhav sir played a major part in it. Again, I would like to thank everyone who wished for me to excel. Means my parents, all my relatives, the whole BT team. Well, I want to mention a particular case. What I experienced in first few BTs, that my ranks were growing very worse. Means not very worse, but were growing bad in a couple of BTs. It were my parents who told me that that take failure as an opportunity to succeed. And from there on, I started enjoying everything, even my failures, because they brought me an opportunity to succeed. So on that note, I would want to take your leave and thank you.
Sorry, Rohan, I was a little lost. Maybe in the presence of sir's dynamic personality, you end up forgetting so many things. So sorry, I took your name wrongly. Thanks a lot and keep rocking in future. All the very, very best to you, Rohan. So you have the pleasure of receiving the prize from
a Momento, a scientific calculator and a cash coin of rupees 10,000.
If we can learn something from you, sir, and be like you, imbibe some qualities, we'll all be very fortunate. So, thank you so much. Thank you, sir.